Hey everyone, welcome back to Singularity. I've been playing a little bit on my own, just starting the math thing, and I am at my parents' house now, so perfect timing. The midnight clock just went off, which only happens at this house, so it's fitting that, as I mentioned, that's where I am, that's happening, but yeah, I'm excited to be back and play this. I have a lot of stuff to read in this, and I've gotten quite a bit done, I guess. So I haven't done the math one before at all, so this is all new stuff. And it earns real numbers, which is an interesting unit. So I've just kind of been here and there leveling this up, and I'll come back and read this, but I was playing it and I was showing my dad because he is interested in math stuff. And to demonstrate sort of what's going on in this, I did happen to get one of the comets already. So I have Shoemaker Levy 9. So discovered circling Jupiter in 1993, Shoemaker Levy 9 was the first comet to be observed orbiting a planet. When it collided with Jupiter in 1994, it became the first comet ever to be observed crashing into a planet's surface. So yes, I do have that now. It's expensive. That's gonna be one of the other comets, but I'm not sure which one. I also got Chaotic Orbit for Pluto. Pluto's small size means that its orbit is sensitive to small changes in the solar system. Even tiny shifts in nearby bodies can affect the orbit of this dwarf planet, making its motion difficult to predict. Okay, and then I've got other stuff that I can rank up. So I guess I'll just do that. Okay. Oh, and I finished something. I don't know which one that was. My thing about collecting Stardust, there's still so much that needs to be collected. It isn't even showing any progress bar, and I've been gone for several days. But I want to try and get some of these things done. IO, I can maybe get done today. And then, yeah, there's a lot that I need to work on. The sun I needed to work on as well. We'll see how much I can afford of that. And then Mercury also. Cosmos is hanging out on a chair nearby snoring, so you might be able to hear that. I'm not sure how obvious it is, but yeah, he's sleepy right now. This goes actually really fast. That's convenient. It's not automated, but that is surprisingly fast. Okay. However, I need to go check on some other things, so I'll be back to that. But it's time to do Mesozoic things, because I'm pretty close to getting some of these done. which I'm excited about. Thank you. I need to get this guy automated, because I got this one automated, but the other one is still not automated. Okay. And I can actually rank up some of these. I think this one is the best one to rank up for now. Okay. And then you need to be ranked up. Okay. I feel like I've gotten into the quintillions here, if that's how you say it. And I don't think I've actually ever done that before, so I think that might be a good sign, because this one earns a lot at once. So I feel like I'm making some more progress, which is nice. Wait. Oh, that increases its payout, but it doesn't automate it? What the heck? Why doesn't it? It should be increasing it. I don't agree with that. That's not fair. Okay, well. I feel like this is cheating. I feel like I should have that automated by now. But I don't. Alright. Still nothing. I mean, stuff that is technically useful, but it's not the thing that I really want. But I am actually getting so many of these done already, which is satisfying. Also, this is ready to upgrade, so that's awesome. I'm getting a lot of mutagen. Okay. You. Okay. Perfect. Start going again. Okay. And then we have Stegosaurus. Theoretically, I could do the asteroid now, but I want to get the last couple of things. And I'm really close to getting them. Ooh. here. Perfect. And so now the last one is just waiting for stuff to accumulate, so that should go pretty well while I go check on other things, like my primary simulation. I need to see which things I can get now. Probably I can get perfect. Yay. Okay. Thick-skinned. Dolphins have very thin-skinned, not thick-skinned. Thin-skinned. Dolphins have very thin, smooth skin. This delicate epidermis can be injured easily, but can be slowed away and regenerated with a new layer of skin as often as once every 2 hours. This enables them to heal very quickly. That is very fast. Okay. The fox and the hound. Foxes can be domesticated, but this behavior is rarely sustainable for multiple generations. Selective breeding of the Russian silver fox has led it to gain many dog-like traits like a friendlier demeanor, curly tails, and floppy ears. That's interesting about curly tails as a domesticated trait, because my dog has a very curly tail, and he's very cute. But I didn't know that that was like an evolutionary thing for domesticated. Why won't it click the thing I want it to click? There we go. Okay. Soap opera. The human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. Who figured that out? Okay, surprise. Crocodilians are generally slow animals due to their large size and weight. However, when hunting, they are capable of bursts of great speed, which allow them to attack suddenly from underwater to catch their prey by surprise. Alright. I'm still missing so many things in the middle here. And then a couple at the end. I'm not sure yet what those are. Okay. Alright. Okay. Mars Tropolis. I would like to die on Mars, just not on impact, says Elon Musk. That is an important distinction. How you die on Mars is not always the same as how you might think it might be. Okay, alright. I have so many things here. Things are so expensive here. Okay, I will go to math because I haven't read any of it yet, and it's the current event, so might as well. Alright, so what I want to do first actually is I have collected enough of these from just earning them like that I want to actually time warp this so that I'll get enough to do some cool upgrades, because that seems convenient. I need 30 for that, but I will earn that. I want to level up those things first. Okay. Also, the thing you click to collect is an abacus, which is kind of fun. Okay. Anyway, 1. Math is built on the concept of counting, starting with 1, a single object. With multiple objects, there are multiple ones. Objects can be tracked with tally marks, which Paleolithic humans likely used to count. Alright. Numbers. Tallying might work for small sums, but not for larger groups of objects. In 6th century India, mathematicians build a system of numbers based on 10 symbols. The Hindu-Arabic numerals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Alright. Building blocks. Exploring the relationship between numbers is the foundation of mathematics. As a discipline, math is as old as civilization. Mathematical calculations can be found in Babylonian tablets and Egyptian hieroglyphs. 0. The absence of a quantity of items can be represented with the numeral 0. Mesopotamians depict 0 as early as 300 BCE. Centuries later, Mayan civilizations develop it independently as a placeholder within their numeral system. Alright. Integers. All of the counting numbers, including their negative counterparts and 0, are called integers. The integers are the set -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, continuing in both directions. Alright. Rationals. Rational numbers are those that can be written as a fraction, meaning an integer divided by another integer. When turned into decimals, rational numbers either end or repeat. 4.5 is 9/2, and 1/3 is 0.33333, repeating. Okay. Negatives. Numbers that have a value of less than 0 are called negative. 4 minus 9 equals -5. In 200 BCE, Chinese officials calculate taxes with a system using red rods for positive numbers and black rods for negatives. Alright. I should figure out what order I'm doing this in. Okay, arithmetic is next. Numbers interact with each other through operations. These operations are studied through arithmetic. Expanding on prehistoric developments, early civilizations build numerical systems to quantify a wide range of information. Addition. Numbers are counted together through addition. Subtraction does the opposite, removing a number from another one. Add 3 pairs to 2 pairs to get 5 pairs. Subtract 2 pairs from 8 pairs for 6 pairs. Okay, Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a series in which each number is the sum of the previous 2 numbers. The relationship between these numbers becomes the golden ratio found in flowers and seashells. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Alright, thing to click. Okay. Multiplication. Operations build on each other. Multiplication gets its name from performing addition multiple times. Division does the opposite. 4 times 3 is 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12. 12 divided into 3 equal parts is 4 plus 4 plus 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay. Exponentiation. Just like the multiplication adds repeatedly, exponentiation, a to the power of b, multiplies repeatedly. A number's square root is a value that is multiplied by itself to get the original number. 4 cubed. Oh my gosh. 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. 2 to the second is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. Ugh, math is my worst subject, so this is fascinating to try and read out loud while I'm also trying to focus on other things. Okay, algebra. Building on arithmetic, algebra introduces the idea of unknown values along with methods for determining these values. In medieval Persia, Al-Khwarizmi, I probably butchered that completely, introduces a method to solve quadratics, marking the start of modern algebra. Okay. Proofs. Through a series of logical steps, proofs build from agreed upon assumptions to reach a new conclusion. If x and y are even, x plus y is even. Let x equal 2a and y equal 2b. 2a plus 2b equals 2a plus b. X plus y is a multiple of 2 and is thus even. Okay. Preserving equality. Thing to click, wait. An algebraic proof can be solved by manipulating the elements of an equation. When doing this, if an operation is done on one side, the same operation must be done on the other one to preserve equality. 4x equals 4, 4x divided by 4 equals 4 divided by 4, x equals 1. Okay. Proof that 0.99999 equals 1. Let x equal 0.999, repeating. 10 times x equals 10 times 0.999. 10x equals 9.999. 10x minus x equals, this is very long, equals 9.999, repeating, minus x. Remember, x equals 0.999, repeating. 9x equals 0.999, repeating, minus 0.9, or minus, yeah. 9x equals 9.999, repeating, minus 0.999, repeating, 9x equals 9, x equals 1. Okay. That took a while to read. Okay. Equations. An equation is a statement that declares each side of an equal sign has the same value. In 2 plus 3 equals 5, 2 plus 3 has the same value as 5, so both expressions are equal. Okay. Quadratic formula. Equations that can be written as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 are quadratic. The quadratic formula solves for x by plugging in a, b, and c. The plus or minus in the formulas means there are usually two answers due to the power of 2 in the equation. Alright. Math in cells. The cost of any generator in cell to singularity is determined by using exponential growth. The applied math generator has a base cost of 5 billion and grows 15% per purchase. If you have 30, the next will cost 5b times 1.15 to the 20th equals 331.06 billion. Okay. And then we have compounding interest. Interest compounds over time because the interest you earn now stacks on top of the interest you previously earned. Holding $100 at a rate of 8% for 25 years will end with $685. At 50 years, you would have $4,600. $90. Variables. Algebra involves solving for unknown values, often represented with symbols such as X, Y, A, or banana emoji. If you buy 3 pairs and now have 7, how many did you start with? The variable X can represent this unknown. X plus 3 equals 7. Oh my gosh. Last one. Okay. Applied math. Numbers and mathematics are a foundational technology for human culture. They facilitate the development of cities, allowed Romans to build aqueducts that stand for centuries, and make it possible for humans to travel into space. That was so much math vocabulary. Math is definitely my weakest subject. I also haven't done that much reading of math problems aloud since, like, high school. I feel like that's kind of weird that I'm a STEM major, but math is definitely my weakest subject. What the heck is this? What do I do with these? They're just kind of there. I don't know. Do I click them? Or maybe they're just decorations? I don't know what those are. Okay. Well. This is so expansive now. I feel like I've finished everything for this part with the idea stuff. It's all just still evolutionary stuff. There's so much. Okay. And I still have apparently 4 more sharks to get, maybe? So hopefully I can get those eventually. Let's see if I've finally collected enough here. No. I need a lot more. But I could level up some stuff. What do I need to do? I need to... It's very slow. I need to level up so many things, but in particular, I will just go to whatever is cheapest right now. Okay. What else? These are all so expensive. Also, this Stardust is just not even showing any progress bar yet. I mean, at least with some of them you can see progress. But that is just so much that needs to be collected. IO is the only thing that needs to be ranked up for itself, so that could be a good one. Same with Enceladus, Pluto, Neptune. Neptune's really expensive though. Ganymede isn't independent, but it goes fast, and that seems just generally useful, I guess. But Io also is every second. Ooh, this one is doing cool things. I love it when they do cool things when I want them to. I have to rank up Triton too, and I haven't really done anything with it yet. Oh, something big just finished. Wait a second. I didn't pay attention to that, but something earned a lot recently. Alright. I want to try and get Ganymede ranked up at least one more time. Yay. Okay. I like the music here. It's very fun. This one is actually very fast. Like, in the scope of how much I need, it doesn't earn as much as I maybe would like it to, but it is technically pretty fast, which is nice. And I think that once I rank it up twice, then I get, I'm gonna assume Halley's Comet, and then from there I get Hale-Bopp. Because those are, oh yes, thank you. Those are kind of the next steps of what I really need. Alright, and Triton has been ranked up. I would like to, I know I can't get Neptune fully ranked up again, probably. At least not right now. But, I want to because it's one of the things that's kind of solitary right now, so it could finish a whole what are these even called? Requirement? Yeah. Which would be nice theoretically, but that would also take a long time. All of this takes a long time now. Click that, and okay. I could afford those things, but these things, they take so long, but they're also good. And I got it before it was expensive, so that was perfect timing. Yeah, because Triton isn't independent, and Celadus is. I do still have quite a ways to go with that. Io is also. And Io is actually closer. So. And by closer, I mean I still need 70 levels, but it is on 7 out of 8 rather than 5 out of 7. So. Okay. Progress is being made slowly, but it is happening. We're down to only needing 60 levels. Alright. Ooh, Neptune's doing this. Perfect. I love it when they do this. I need so much Stardust. Oh my gosh, okay. This part, the Beyond simulation, takes so long now. So many things. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well. This is satisfying. This is a very, very fun place to be in this game right now. Like, I have so much that I need so many resources for, but it's very, very fun to do. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna go back to Mesozoic to see how close I am to collecting all of the stuff that I need. Because I don't think it's very close. And I also want to... I want to actually just start over, because I feel like there's only one thing left that I could have theoretically done, and I kind of just want to see about starting over again, because why not? And I want to get that one thing automated so much. That is like my entire... Oh, there's a new one this time. My entire goal in life is to get this one automated, and now it's giving me a completely new dinosaur before it's giving me the thing to rank up the one I already have, so I don't know. Gallimimus. Probably pronounced that wrong. Is it Gallimimus or Gallimimus? Because I feel like I've heard Gallimimus before, but I don't think it was in the context of dinosaurs. So now I'm just a little bit confused. I'm just trying to get all of these guys to 50 or as high as I can afford them right now. I just want to get a good... no, I'm not going to trigger that right now. I want to get sort of a good, stable base of earning for them, and then from there I will level things up to what they are actually supposed to be leveled up to. Especially because none of the things that I have currently are the things that are displayed in my list yet as things that I'm supposed to get to a certain thing. Alright. Okay, Sauropoda is the first of the ones that are things that I specifically need to rank up, so I will just rank up as much as I can afford on this one. Or until I reach what it wants me to reach, whichever comes first. It will probably be not being able to afford it again first. Yep, there it goes. Okay. I'm sure a lot of these are ones that I'll have to level up more a bit later on, but for now, this is pretty good. Okay. This one I need to rank up as well. Even though it's not automated yet for some reason. Okay. And this one is available now, but I don't understand why it's available if the other one hasn't been ranked up yet. Or, not ranked up, if it hasn't been automated yet, because it feels like that might be something really useful to have before you try to, I don't know, do a completely new one. that's just me, but I feel like it would be useful. I could afford it, but I know it won't be automated either. Sauropoda is much more useful because I can afford it, and I also have it automated, so it's really convenient to level it up. And it's one of the ones on this list, so. Okay, but I should actually get the new one. Okay. Almost. Alright. There we go. Oh, you're that bird. Okay. Gallimimus was a large bird-like herbivore that traveled in herds and built nests. Cool. How much are you not going to give me? Because you're not automated. I want it to be automated. I would love it if they were all automated. That would be so nice for me. But that's not gonna happen right now. It's just a lot of growling happening instead. In the game, for once, it isn't Cosmos. Alright. I just want them to be automated. That would be so nice. Getting kind of close to leveling up Sauropoda all the way. I want these to be automated, so I am having so low motivation to actually rank them up more, because I know that once I leave this game alone for a while, Sauropoda's gonna earn more by itself, but the other two will not, because they are not automated. So it's like, I know I need to do it to get the next requirements and know what they are, but I have so little motivation to do that right now. I also wanted to check, because when did the new glitch thing, was that level 23 that becomes available? Because I don't remember. I don't really remember Well, that one needs 1 billion or 1.5 billion, which kind of implies that I could get it now. And this one is 23, and then this one is also 23. Okay. That answers that, I guess. Okay. Alright, back to all of this lovely chaos. It's fun to rank up Pluto right at the last second because it takes so long, but it's very satisfying when it does finally finish. Alright, still not a single sign of any progress bar on here. Okay, and back to Mesozoic. Okay, I need 17 more rank things for Sauropoda, so to do that times 10, I need so many. I'm gonna try and rank it up to 100 and then see about ranking up some of the others. Or maybe trying to get it to 110, whichever I think seems a bit more doable. Or actually, the Gallimimus could theoretically be something that doesn't take way too long. I mean, it kind of would. Everything's just expensive now. I just need 10 more for that one though, so theoretically, if I try to get to 16.52 quadrillion as fast as possible, I might be able to get that right now. Okay. My thing is that I hope that once I rank up one of them, or possibly both of them. I don't know. I need whatever it is that automates them, and I don't know what that is. I don't know how to get it, so. Cosmos is snoring over on the side. It's very cute. Alright, here's my decision. I think I will be able to earn that much, but I'm not gonna click on it as like a 10 at once kind of thing. I'm gonna click on it one at a time, so that each time I click things, I'll earn more quickly, but it will still be the same total that I would pay. I'm just paying it in 10 clicks rather than 1. Okay, and I'm gonna just close that for now, so that I can focus on the last 5 levels that this thing needs. Kind of starting to get more from it. Still not as much as I would like, but definitely not the worst. Actually, I have so many of these, I wonder if I could buy an artifact for this. I have a lot of artifacts now, but I want one. Seems like these are not really. These are options. These don't seem like they're for that part of the simulation. I need capybaras though, because that's awesome. I need to go see these capybaras. I'll be back. Capybaras are awesome. Where are they, is the question. Capybaras. Okay, so I still have to buy it, but it's available now. It's so expensive. They're all so expensive. But that one's gonna make that one really fast when it is finally available. Alright. I will level up things here. Alright. And go back to Mesozoic. Darn it, I wanted a capybara right now, but... Oh, also the clock just happened again, which means that I've been playing this for an hour now. I've been kind of not as nocturnal as I normally would be, because I'm at my parents' house, so it's 1 a.m. now. But I really, really want to get this guy ranked up 3 more times before I end this recording, because I'm really determined to try and get at least one of these done, especially because maybe it will give me something that will automate something. I can only hope. I have no idea. But it has been so long trying to get this Velociraptor automated. I don't know why. I think I got the Pachycephalosaurus, however you say that word, after the Velociraptor, but it's automated already and the Velociraptor still isn't. So I don't know what's going on with that. I just need one or both of them to be automated, because that would be really helpful. But they're both just not. Alright. I'm close though, I just need 2 more. So this is getting very close. Okay. I can 100% get this done. I need to make some kind of progress. Close. It is kind of interesting how in Beyond it's very linear. Like, it goes from the sun out to Mercury, Venus, all the way through to Pluto, and then the comets now are like slightly above the sort of planetary line that's been made, and then the I will actually do that one today. Oh yay, lots of stuff. But still nothing's automated. Ah, no. Anyway, yeah, with, Beyond it's very linear, but then with Primary it's kind of like the tree of life and evolution and stuff, so it branches a lot, but it makes really logical things. And then this is just kind of really random. Like, it starts here, and then it goes around to these, and then it goes up here, and then it goes down there, and then it goes over here, and then it goes, like, all these, and then now we went from Velociraptor over to Pachycephalosaurus, and then over here to Gallimimus for some reason, and I don't know why. That is the order that it is, but it's kind of amusing. I'm getting that one to 50 just because I can. And I'm gonna level up this one while I can for fun as well. Okay, well, like I said, I've been playing for a little over an hour. And I think I'm gonna leave this here. I want to get some editing and uploading done before I go to bed tonight because I want to make sure that I have everything ready for future videos to be scheduled without any being late, even during holiday activities that my family and I are doing. So I need to sort of be possibly doing slightly shorter recordings, and I also feel like there's just a good natural pausing point here before coming back to record, because I feel like this is a good chance to let everything accumulate a lot more. I just kind of wanted to come record what I have so far of the math one because that's new and I've never done that before. And so I figured why not come do a recording of that quickly, and then I will try to do another one before it ends, because I would like to do that. I think that that would be a fun goal to try and have of trying to get another recording done with the math one, because it is interesting. Even though math is my worst subject, it is kind of interesting to see how it is in this game and what they're choosing as the priority of talking about math. So I will probably come back and play that more. I think I definitely will. Behind the scenes, I'll try to get some stuff done, just upgrading things before I come back and play on video. But yeah, it's been really fun to play this. I always feel a little bit awkward when I record at my parents' house because I have to be a little bit more quiet because they're asleep right now. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you liked this. I hope you enjoy whatever winter holiday you celebrate. And I know that Hanukkah and Christmas are around the same time this year, so I think this video is going to come out shortly before that. So if you celebrate either of those, happy Hanukkah or Christmas. I am definitely looking forward to being able to get more videos up, but thank you all for supporting me and for your patience if I am a little bit shorter about uploads because of the holiday. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!